Lead counsel for the accused, Mr. Bernard Nkwibwe, in this Samurai Boy case. I'm talking about lawyer Appiah Kubi. Your application seeking to withdraw your service as lead counsel for Chairman Wontumi has been rejected by this honorable court. Clock it. Now, court no also the reasons. Now, many will say Chairman Wontumi wafa lawyer for when it comes to the cases are ewa court no. Lawyer by the way choose no. Clock it. Yabekwa nsam into details. Masrawa sa we share video way na obechrawa dwen amam your comment section ho. Follow Trends GH on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Bibia Trends GH. Afide young clock into the story. Lawyer Appiah Kubi last week mo or December 2 bia say enya dia obeye Chairman Wontumi lawyer bio enu nti no chrem say wa file application ewo sa judge otina Samurai Boy case no so a na no de courtroom ho ayebusia the reasons are ono lawyer Appiah Kubi ogina sunti a on person obeye lawyer ama Chairman Wontumi bio in the Samurai Boy case no obakaka na adwen ewo courtroom ho impo say we say olusu ne license as lawyer ebusia obelusu so ampani ampa ende ena Chairman Wontumi ne lawyer Appiah Kubi ebusa okopie mu ewo high court wa no de okọ no wagena ho fama kama one Chairman Wontumi so na ekọ ye ebusa ne de omokọ ni nyina no na omo clock ekọ judge otena asam no so no okirem a lawyer Appiah Kubi application of file ye say onye Chairman Wontumi lawyer bio no judge no egba asam no tugu ye na judge ni kirem a wa rejected that application no based on a ruling wey say lawyer Appiah Kubi sa application or by is not supported by any rule of court or judicial authority. Any officer no ebano assemble ya lawyer Appiah Kubi or per se or withdraw as lawyer for Chairman Wontumi na criminal proceedings na ebano criminal proceedings lawyer which is lawyer Appiah Kubi on here permission from the court say on your lawyer Chairman Wontumi bio sad decision is between lawyer Appiah Kubi and then the client Mr. Bernard Nkwibwe aka Chairman Wontumi. It is a lawyer Appiah Kubi on per se obey Chairman Wontumi lawyer bio ne dey answer Chairman Wontumi asamono me ana meka so mejem no metwatwa baby edu ne dey Chairman Master was a copel lawyer for no on here permission from the judge and I said the court. Any of lawyer Appiah Kubi application of file enya dia or survey ne client Chairman Wontumi. That's it. Application or the court keke but on one kasa client wafa ono lawyer Appiah Kubi which is Chairman Wontumi no enya dia lawyer Appiah Kubi or this application bi ema Chairman Wontumi say enya dia obeye no lawyer bio enu these are the reasons here judge otena asam no so okire mu say lawyer Appiah Kubi application or file or court was say onye Chairman Wontumi bio ne busua wa rejected no judge ne ruling wey na Chairman Wontumi ebusua eno de asam no bebi a edu no ogina wa or clock afide ewo mu na Chairman Wontumi or san so clock insesi ade clock it no aye left and right na eno de busua Chairman Wontumi ofri courtroom ho apie ya no pe no ne lawyer Appiah Kubi or address press near a course so ewo courtroom ho any omo kase or no lawyer Appiah Kubi reasons where ya all site no adentina asam na ahyase no one call for appeal yentie no.
I think we wanted to do the better thing for the court to appreciate why and also to demonstrate our commitment to our client up to now. And the words of the judge say that we have abandoned. Do you see any abandonment in the relationship that I have with my client? The answer is no. I have not abandoned him. But it is for reasons like what happened today that I wanted officially the court to be informed of decisions that we have taken as counsel. So we have not abandoned him. We are with him now. We will stay with him until we file the notice of withdrawal officially. And then he'll be given the opportunity to engage another counsel to come and prosecute the matter. Obi Beka said, I didn't want to see appeal. Appeal back since 18th of March 2026. Appeal against the decision. submission of no case to answer. Now see record video ho say more than 3 months say a period equal to ho yemfa file po my register po and or the organize records no amia itimia transmit court of appeal. Let's just say appeal process na kasa no no what's our court we do you lose confidence
na ahana someone court ruling na ebeto odwa no eno na chairman Wontumi aka clock it ebusia wa clock it
you heard the echo now obefa new counsel
nyamensa wo obi anso wo
amen or the lawyer foforo abamonchimon ka highway no so a lawyer ni wey na obetwitwa age no asesia no lawyer wey na oye lead counsel for chairman Wontumi cases are ewo court no. So press statement when a chairman Wontumi ebusia odi ababonten or say statement on appointment of new lead counsel. I, Bernard Enchibuesiakon, aka Chairman Wontumi, wish to respectfully inform the court, the parties, and the general public that I have decided to appoint Honorable Lawyer Samuel Atta Akyea as my new lead defense counsel in the ongoing criminal proceedings against me. This decision has been taken after careful consultation and in the exercise of my constitutional right to legal representation by counsel of my own choosing. It is intended to ensure that my defense is presented fully, effectively, and in accordance with the law. I express my sincere appreciation to my previous legal team for their services and commitment throughout these proceedings. My decision should not be construed as a reflection of their competence or dedication, but rather as an exercise of my legal right to determine the composition of my defense team. Now, ahana sambono say the charges before the court are serious, and I remain firmly committed to defending myself through the due process of law. As with every accused person, I'm entitled to the presumption of innocence until proven guilty by a competent court of law, and the burden rests on the prosecution to establish every element of the offenses charged beyond reasonable doubt. Accordingly, my newly appointed counsel would take the necessary lawful steps to assume responsibility for my defense. Review the records of proceedings. Review the record of proceedings and make all necessary submissions and applications that may be necessary to safeguard my constitutional right to a fair hearing. I have full confidence that the judicial process will be guided by the Constitution, the laws of Ghana, and the principles of justice and fairness. I therefore respectfully request that all parties and the public allow the legal process to proceed without speculation or prejudice while my defense is conducted in accordance with the law. Signed, Bernard Enchibuesiakon, aka Chairman Wontumi. I wish you where the Mijoma Chairman Wontumi, nya okay kwesiya na say. Embra Esano na owo kwan say ono Chairman Wontumi obafa lawyer mana etwitwa age no eba no serious case bi say ya ekoso ewo court ho a everything changes are ono Chairman Wontumi why sesia na say lawyer Atta Akyea ne sesia no oye lead counsel lawyer ni pani ema ono Chairman Wontumi cases are ekoso ewo court ni nyina na order the legal team dada no ase which is lawyer Appiah Kubi order na ase ene afoforo mu ka ho ni nyina no order mu ase na okam obi ate ase say we changing the lawyer no doesn't mean say ono Chairman Wontumi edwuma lawyer Appiah Kubi ene previous legal team no ye no ono Chairman Wontumi o appreciate ana say omutosi ewo baby na mbom no ono Chairman Wontumi o ho kwan sana meka ye no to appoint new lawyer eno na waya no pepepe no na Chairman Wontumi kire mu say lawyer Atta Akyea asesia no oye lawyer ni pani ana say lead counsel ema ono Chairman Wontumi obehwema court proceedings na de nyina no eflow no eye ni defense team we no omu wa ho kwan say omu be review eye record proceedings akoso ewo court ni nyina nti eba no lawyer Appiah Kubi cases are wedi no mpo de 3rd July judgment ba bonti ni nyina lawyer Atta Akyea owo ho kwan say omu betena se aye mpensempensemu na wo se bebi a omu di ye eto ye no omu de afa mbrakwan so afa ho omu any office ono chairman Wontumi statement bia waka ewo court wo no eye ne lawyer foforo Atta Akyea owo ho kwan se ni nyina no obeye mpensempensemu ewo ho na bebia wo se omudi ye eto na ebusua omode atoko na aha na chairman Wontumi oto mu nkyene no o say our confidence say nensem we ya enam judicial process so no will be guided by the constitution, the laws of Ghana, any of the principles of justice and fairness. And ubakaya lawyer Appiah Kubi o kire mu say eba no chairman Wontumi sensem we ya 3 July ruling baba bonten na sa court no eye court ampa ogidi say asam a ewo court ho ene de omubobo hu no eno na ruling ebaba wo ho so sa court no ye court pa akwai say obi foforo ent na baby influence ruling no sa na opa kire ena chairman Wontumi so o kire mo ha say judicial process we no our confidence ewo ho say it will be guided by the constitution, the laws of Ghana, any principles of justice and fairness. Or no chairman Wontumi sansem we na or the atudwa what them say public no momu conclude to sania amanfo bi ye wo monchimonka highway no so no say or no chairman Wontumi ade ntia we change the lawyer no ene say ahinoma bi enkoye ne lawyer no on sipi sita ana say asam no ebebu abo no chairman Wontumi ti na we change lawyer no o se de bi owo ho kwan say obafa lawyer foforo enu ti se sia no lawyer foforo a wafa no say ondina sem ema no eye lawyer Atta Akyea na se sia no odi ni cases ni nyina no ama no na yambonra Captain Kobio Smart na kache eba no NDC promise ba kwa modema Ghana for ma omo share so to aba emo eye 24-hour economy. In fact, before I had the 2024 elections by the Shasono, Mekaisa Sami Jefi, our communications officer of the NDC, or copy more Captain Kobio Smart, ni show so Onuya TV. Emma Sami Jefi or the semi to on 24-hour economy.
Yebema DVL yedwuma 24/7, the same for POS. Inti ya titi beko edwuma no pa, no watwe 8 hours ebebo no 9 enwumre no wapon. Na Captain Smart ako no 9 ako si 12 a.m. 8 hours. Captain Smart airport na Sami Jefi ko 12 a.m. ebisi anopa 8 a.m. Enti se we ye edwuma no pa ma ne ha because na do betima nya edwuma. When you man money because I much with me.
So NDC wa bemu just 1 year 6 months and a year wo mu na so bebrene ekrem 24-hour economy na omo kan ho nsam na ebusia atonsiom omo nsada emfili 24-hour economy na sa an ebi so ekrem 24-hour economy na ebusia omugu so a parliament kra no a pass ho bill His Excellency John Dramani Mahama OCC 24-hour economy market na dia krampo ewo ho emanupo no wo share some of the agencies omo Ghana ha and say some of the offices krampo a omo so no omo started 24-hour economy ho no SSM so social media na over the weekend you know dey hu car eno dey na monchimonka highway no so a writings are ewo ho no Captain Smart when you miss call.
Yebema DVL yedwuma 24/7, the same for POS. Inti ya titi beko edwuma no pa, no watwe 8 hours ebebo no 9 enwumre no wapon. Na Captain Smart ako no 9 ako si 12 a.m. 8 hours. Captain Smart airport na Sami Jefi ko 12 a.m. ebisi anopa 8 a.m. Enti se we ye edwuma no pa ma ne ha because na do betima nya edwuma. When you man you money because I much with me.
Intano de atra eguka no ho no kiremu an 24-hour economy Captain Smart wadada omo ewo ho a tese ebusa writings no eye bebre na eno na Captain Kobio Smart o kiremu say owansam ka about 24-hour economy policy no where the NDC for omonya mess call
na me makao mafia 24-hour no ejigu NDC forget it he fidie kese pa na da ho because see you know economy na ye market na yes no market na ye nwie 2026 market no 2027 June na ye nwie 24-hour market no be enwie yo because I fake the bill pass ase I feel that this is assembly no be kra edwiri enkrofo stores etu oni mi nyan sampo now be 24-hour economy market no be esi abrosin atoso 8 Omo de yes stores dada oni mi nyan sa be hu se wajibi umuntu ngu usi bi twa ho hia entemtem wanya market ye dwiri egu fam Wontumi so nsesa kwa kaswa ne important no kwa ye dwiri egu ho wontumi so nsesa ye see saso de so asa data for TV ye fanya nsanya de kakra pamacho eli pebre ye fanya nsanya de na ye moa president na wontumi nye o man ni ye no.
Captain Kobio Smart message when I was sending to NDC. So 24-hour economy implementation once and some. So when to me implemented they should forget winning 2028 elections because Bebrenano enye GDA in them come 2028 elections because promise by Kupa or Modema Ghana for a 24-hour economy. I just say about the 24-hour economy market crampa Ghana man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Osisina. I born next year Koronya dia obewi enu ntino gbasa Modema Ghana for no omonhwe so mubedi so anya sa omobete omodwe come 2028 elections but Chairman Wontumi ono dia sabre we change the lawyer Chairman Wontumi wakofa lawyer Samuel Atta Akyea my lord to represent him ebano cases are ego court ni nyina no feel free na chira wadwuma me comment section ho na share video we se na be ya afoforo so omonsa ebeka bi clock it.